Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 2023 255 Grady-White Freedom. The color, sea glass green. We brought her in with a full hull color, hard top with the underside color to match, windlass, twin 200 Yamaha outboards. Boat has Bennett trim tabs, boarding ladder, walk through transom door. It's new in our showroom, beautiful boat. We'll go inside and we'll take a look. As we walk into the 255, we can see the freshwater shower, the engine flush out, where the ski pole goes, the live well. This boat has the lounge that comes out and extends and has the storage center here with a sink. The back side of the helm seat. There's your helm. Ready for electronics. Companion seat. We'll go around. There's the aft seat that flips up. Your battery switches. Another look at the Yamahas. Boat has rod holders. Has rod holders on the frame, two on each side. As I said, this boat does have a windlass. Has a table option forward. Marine head with the overboard discharge. There's your Fusion stereo, which is standard. Walk up front. Plenty of seating, cushions, cup holders. Beautiful boat here in our showroom for sale. Thank you.